Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to change the battery on a Mercedes GLE 350. First, prioritize safety by turning off your vehicle and removing the key. Always wear safety glasses and gloves to protect your hands and eyes from potential hazards. Gather your tools, including 10mm and 13mm sockets, and confirm you have the correct H8 AGM replacement battery. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe battery swap. The main battery in your Mercedes GLE 350 is usually found beneath the front passenger seat. Begin by sliding the passenger seat all the way forward to expose the two rear mounting bolts. Next, use an E12 Torx socket to remove all four seat bolts. Once the seat is unbolted, carefully tilt it back and disconnect any electrical modules to gain full access to the battery compartment. With the battery exposed, it's time to disconnect it. Always start by loosening and removing the negative terminal first, using a 10mm wrench. Then, proceed to disconnect the positive terminal. Next, locate the battery hold-down clamp, usually secured by a 13mm nut, and loosen it. Carefully lift the old, heavy battery out of its tray, making sure to detach the small vent tube if present. Now, carefully place your new H8 AGM battery into the compartment, ensuring it sits flush and is correctly oriented. Reattach the battery hold-down clamp and tighten the 13mm nut securely. Connect the positive battery terminal first, followed by the negative terminal, tightening both 10mm nuts. Finally, reconnect all seat electrical connectors, re-bolt the passenger seat, and test your vehicle's electrical systems.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.